Have you ever looked up one day and realized you lost years trying to love the wrong person? Not weeks, not months, years. Years of peace, years of confidence, years of growth, years you can never get back. And the dangerous part is, it didn't happen all at once. It happened slowly. You kept forgiving things that were breaking you. You kept shrinking yourself to keep the relationship alive. You kept hoping they would finally become who you needed them to be. While your mental health got worse, your purpose got quieter, and your life slowly started standing still. Some relationships do not just break your heart, they break your momentum. You stop dreaming, you stop creating, you stop believing in yourself. You stop recognizing yourself. Because toxic love has a way of making survival feel normal. You start calling stress love. You start calling anxiety commitment. You start calling emotional exhaustion loyalty. And after a while, you don't even realize how lost you've become. Some of you were carrying people God never told you to carry. And now you're emotionally drained, spiritually tired, mentally confused, and years behind where you were supposed to be. Not because you were weak, because you stayed connected to something that was slowly destroying you. Some people do not enter your life to build you. They enter your life to consume you. And the scary part is, they usually do it while saying they love you. That's why you have to stop ignoring the signs. Stop ignoring the constant stress. Stop ignoring the confusion. Stop ignoring how heavy your spirit feels around them. Stop ignoring how your life started falling apart after they entered it. Love should not destroy your peace. Love should not make you hate yourself. Love should not pull you away from your purpose. Love should not make you feel emotionally unsafe every day. And some of you already know the truth. You've been feeling it for months, maybe even years, but fear kept you there. Fear of being alone, fear of starting over, fear that nobody else would love you, fear that leaving would mean failure. So you stayed, even while your soul was breaking quietly. And now you're waking up realizing you lost precious time trying to save somebody who never wanted to change. Listen to me carefully. You cannot heal in the same place that keeps destroying you. At some point, you have to stop romanticizing pain. You have to stop calling dysfunction deep love. Because real love does not constantly damage your spirit. Real love does not make you disappear. And some of you are grieving years right now. Not just the relationship, the years, the opportunities, the confidence, the energy, the version of you that existed before all the damage. But hear me carefully. Your life is not over. You are not too far gone. You are not too old. You are not too broken. And God can still restore what pain tried to steal from you. But restoration starts with honesty. Honesty about what this relationship cost you. Because some people will keep draining your life as long as you keep allowing access to it. And the hardest truth is this. Sometimes the breakthrough is not another prayer for the relationship. Sometimes the breakthrough is finally walking away. Because the moment you stop begging for unhealthy love, you finally make room for peace. And maybe that's why this video found you today. Not to shame you, not to condemn you, but to wake you up before another 5 years disappear. You still have purpose. You still have time. You still have a future. But you cannot keep sacrificing your life trying to save people who are comfortable destroying it. One bad relationship can set you back years, but one brave decision can change the rest of your life.